So in this video, we'll talk about how AI research is changing uh, because of this Manus AI. So see, this Manus AI have done a full AI research for me and created a full website of research with the executive summary, introduction, background, methodology, what is the overview of the brands, with the all competitive analysis of product architecture, brand messaging, distinctness, marketing strategy, target audience, and it's not even gives the comparative analysis, it gives a strategic implication of a brand that we are doing the market research and doing the brand research, and it's give the proper strategy for how we can enhance our brand and every conclusion. And it's in at the end saying research conducted by. So what we have done is we have given a prompt that your work is to do the strategic groundwork for Golfer Sort, which is a whiskey brands for Elco Brew distilleries, and we have given some competitor, which is Blenders Pride and Johnnie Walker, and we have given that your research needs to be have these points in details, and these are some reference link to check. And we have given this thing to Manas AI, and I have pasted this content, and Manas AI started this reading this content and made a proper structure that what needs to be done. So they have read the contents and they have created a to-do list. Okay, we have read this, set up an organization. They have do a proper research for goal for sort, what it can do for competitors, and then proper competitor analysis, report completion and delivery. And it's do a whole thing. It will take 15 to 20 minutes, and they have generated a 4 to 5 documents, and I have asked and that deploy this research to websites. So they have fully created a HTML, CSS, JavaScript website, which is fully functional. For a human person, it will take 15 to 20 days to do this much research and creating this in a PPT, but they have done in a 15 to 20 minutes with a live website. This is how AI game is changing. Follow us for more AI changes and updates.